That's the front of the market right there. So what are we getting today? What are we getting today?
I just got the beef to make you a caldereta, your favorite.
Caldereta. Nice.
And this is McDonald's.
Of course. So what's this one for?
I'm gonna make Bicol Express for you. That's your favorite. That's why I'm gonna buy this one.
Good Express. Here's the master here, cutting up some ribs. Look at that. Okay, where are we going to now? Got the fish over here.
Oh, which one? Oh, here?
Oh, here, there we are.
Yeah, we know.
There's some good stuff here.
I know, right? And peanut butter. Do you have peanut butter?
And here's the rest of the market. I like it.
This is my favorite. How much per kilo? Wala nang mga ano-ano. Can I have like 1 kilo, please? You want grapes? Yeah.
It's gonna be a lot more than that.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's enough for one. Yeah, that's okay. Then I'm gonna buy this one too. I think this is a nice one. It's really hot. I think this is okay now.
So that's the beef we got in the market today?
Yeah. So, and I burned it because, you know, I didn't pay attention. But a little bit more, as soon as they, a little bit, we're gonna go eat.
Looks delicious there, honey.
No, it tastes burnt, honey.
Tastes burnt? Okay.